ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್, and this is a lesson for spoken Kannada learners. Okay, and I hope you are already following all the lessons that we are doing. Recently we are just focusing on the beginner sessions, beginner classes, so where we will be learning the vocabulary as well as some basic standard sentences. Okay na? So this is the part 4 actually. So in the last part we just focused on a little bit more on the questioning structures, and this time also we are focusing on the questioning structures, but we are directly going to the sentences which is most commonly used. So in this video we'll be working on the most commonly used standard questioning structures. Okay, and for more spoken Kannada lessons, please do follow the playlist. So in the playlist all the videos that we have done till today it's been updated. I leave the playlist link here as well as in the description box. Please do check it out and enjoy the learning. So let's start today's learning. Ivattina start first aliyade. The first common sentence is, who are you? Neev yaru. Never ever use yaru in the beginning. That will sound very rude, and I'll request you to write down in English also. Give a pause and write it down in English because I'm not writing in the English here. Neev yaru, who are you? The next one is, what is your name? Nim hesreno. Nim hesru eno. So together I can make nim hesreno. Nim hesreno. Okay na? So nim hesru eno. What is your name? What is that? Yenadu. Yenadu. Then if you want to say what is this, then you would say yenidu. That is adu, this is idu. Yenadu, yenidu. Okay, next one. How are you? Which is most commonly used. Hegiddira. Hegiddira is a respected one. So if you want to say for your friends, then it will be hegiddiya. So instead of a ra, you will be replacing a ra with a ya, then it will become a singular. You can use it for your friends. But most commonly when you are speaking with any strangers or elders, anyone, be it with a vendor person, vegetable vendor or dress shop irorbo, yare irbodu, speak always with a respected one. Hegiddira. How are you? Then if you want to say I am fine, then you would say channagiddini. I am fine. Or with respect, channagiddivi. We are fine. Okay. Next one. This ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ and ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ ಆಯಿತು. How is this? ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಹೇಗಿದೆ. How is this? ಹೇಗಿದೆ. So particularly am I asking this? So ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ. So in the last section we also learned the usage of a was. How was this? Okay. So how is this? ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ. How was that? Okay. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು. Very important. So this is in the past and this is in the present. Idu hegide. How is that? How was that? Adu hegittu. Clear? I'm really sorry for the dog barking in the background. Next one. Who is that? Yaradu. Yaradu. Or I can also say adu yaru. Adu yaru. Yaradu. Adu yaru. So yaradu will become one simple word. Yaradu. Who is that? Who is this? Then you will replace adu with idu. Yaridu. Idu yaru. Who is this? Idu yaru. Adu yaru. Yaradu. That's how we just say it in the body language. Okay na? Next one. To whom? To whom is yarge. To whom should I give? Yarig kodbeku. To whom should I give? Yarige. Yarge kodbeku. Kodbeku is should give. Okay. To whom should I give? Yarig kodbeku. Clear? So here I can't use this yarge at the end. You can't say kodbeku yarge. That makes completely absurd in the sentence. So you can't use that one. You can simply say yarig kodbeku. Whom should I give? Yarig helbeku. Whom should I say? Helbeku. La has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Yarig helbeku. Yarig kelbeku. Whom should I ask? That's almost common again. We use it, right? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು, who want this. So that case also I can use this ಯಾರಿಗೆ. Okay, ಯಾರಿಗೆ colloquial version or written version is ಯಾರಿಗೆ. Clear? Okay, next one. ಯಾರ್ದಿದು? Who's this one? Who's this? ಯಾರ್ದು. ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದು? ಯಾರ್ದದು? Whose vehicle is that? So WHOSE. ಯಾರ್ದು. ಯಾರ್ದಿದು. ಯಾರ್ದದು. ಇದು ಯಾರ್ದಿದು. ಅದು ಯಾರ್ದದು. ನಂದಲ್ಲ. So that's how the sentences you can build it up later on. Okay. Next one. From whom did you get the message? From whom did you get the message? ಯಾರಿಂದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂತು? From whom you got this? Okay. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಬಂತು? So basically it's message ಬಂತು. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಬಂತು? ಯಾರಿಂದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂತು? ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಬಂತು? ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು? ನಿನಗೆ is to who? To you. Okay na? So that's how you can build up the sentences basically. Okay. So from where? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? From where it is leaking? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Okay. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? From where you are coming? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? From where the water is leaking? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? So ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ is basically something is happening. எங்கிருந்து வாட்டர் லீக் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு? कहाँ से लीक हो रहा है? Okay, that's how you can connect it. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? To where I should come? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ is to where. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ to where. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? Where should I come? Okay, next if you want to ask where are you? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Where are you? Okay, next one. Where were you? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ? Where were you? So this is in the past. This is in the present. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Where are you? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ? Where were you? Okay. So here I'll stop. There are many more things that we can learn in the standard sentences. Please recollect this. Repeat ಮಾಡಿ and try to add on this and elaborate these sentences for your better understanding. And do let me know in the comment section if you find any difficulty or if you want to know for any other particular words. Do let me know in the comment section. Or you can write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani also. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand Kannada, and this will be very helpful for even the intermediate learners and the beginners also. Everybody ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Share across, and I meet you all with one more video ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Thank you so much. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.